This is a Yamaha golf cart. It worked. Now I gotta clean these batteries. I just blew. Where I put the air gun at? Oh, there you go. I just blew most of the dirt and stuff off of here. Now I gotta get all this corrosion off the batteries and everything. This the main battery line. I just came in about 30 minutes ago to work, and it was charging over the weekend. And I noticed it's been throwing the fault code, like it's not charging all the way for the last for like Friday, I believe Thursday and Friday. I'll come in and it's got that code on it, so big corrosion on it. I got some distilled water over here. I'm gonna put some distilled water in these batteries and everything, clean up these posts. I got my Bauer impact. I really don't need this, but it's faster than study trying to ratchet it off. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna be doing. Setting this up. That's a charger for it. That's a printer. Trying to get rid of it. It works. I got these backup batteries, the power surge protected backup batteries. I have these. Trying to get rid of them. I'm keeping the receivers at the bottom, the D9 and that integrate receiver. I'm keeping that one. I'm keeping both of them. Trying to also get rid of this printer. It's a Lexmark. Print up works. Box of batteries. A box of cameras. That's about it. I got some type of typewriter down there. I got another integrate. What you call it now? Receiver inside that white box down there. Yeah, it's all clean supplies. Oh, here go that Daytona kerosene heater. We don't have no purpose for this here in Las Vegas. It's hot as ever. But it works. You just gotta take the cover back off of here, take this off, and switch out two rubber lines. There's just two rubber lines and everything that's split. One is the air line to the fan, and another one is the fuel to make the thing ignite when burn or whatever. So it's just two rubber lines that need to be replaced on there. But yeah, I'm finna start getting this off. If I can find the right size that I need. And I don't have it. Back to the truck I go. Finally found the right socket. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do this holding this with two hands. And basically what I'm gonna do is just take them off, wire brush. take that. Well, basically all I'm gonna do is just take it off, wire brush it, put it back together. I'll bring y'all back. Now all I gotta do is just wipe them down. Just wipe it down. I already cleaned these two right here. Gonna go on down the line, clean the next two. Put these two back together, make sure I'm not messing up. Put these two back together, make sure I'm not mixing them up. Just a little bit degreaser, accent degreaser. It's not gonna be 100% clean for right now. Got this whole side clean, all terminals clean, lights off. Move to this one next, these. That'll be it. Then I'm gonna put some water in it. This wire is it didn't split off kinda halfway. So that needs to be fixed. So upon wire brushing this power connector, this power wire, the loop that's like that, but this one was much thinner. This side I want to detach from this wire. So that's how this Monday is going. It ain't supposed to be going like this. Should've just left it alone. Clean it, but I have to clean this thing to make sure this thing charged right and stay running. So now the company gotta come out, take this part off to get this wire off, put a new wire on here. I still can pretty much get around today because this is a charging wire. This is a charging wire. All I'm gonna do is just put a bolt on it and put it back over here so it stays still. But this is a charging wire, so it's really not important. It charged a little bit over the weekend, so I still can drive it. I just won't be able to charge it when I'm done today. So I'm gonna finish cleaning the rest of these. I might just leave these alone, but they ain't too bad. Yeah, I'm gonna leave these two alone, because they ain't too bad. Put the bolt back on this one and this one. Put some juice, put some water in it, and get on about the day. Yeah, just look at them here. They pretty much all dry. So you gotta put water in them all. Don't pop this one off yet. It's dry too. I'm assuming this one is dry too. So yeah, I'm probably finna use about 3 gallons over here. Shit, I hope that wasn't a boat. And that one is dry too. So they're all pretty dry. About to fill these up with water. I'm really not worrying about this power line and stuff, because this is off the charger thing, and some will charge overnight, probably. Some will charge overnight, probably, seeing how much left in the bottom of these. And once I put some more water in it, it's supposed to self-charge it, charge all of them. So I could ride around for about 6 to 8 hours, probably. But That's what I'm faced with. Finna get this water in here. Bring our back once it filled. This is distilled water. And you put these in these batteries. These are not car batteries. So put distilled water in these batteries. I'm about a month behind them actually filling it. That's why they're so dry. They're real busy here, so it is what it is. Just maintenance on the golf cart battery. I need to go get another gallon. I should keep it. Well, 3 gallons later, all the batteries are full. Got water in them. Got 2 more gallons left for later on in the future. You can smell the axes off of here, and I'm working without no gloves, but I don't get burnt from axes for some reason. It's not enough. And like I said, I'm not touching it. I never touching it fully, so like I said, I don't get burnt from just a little bit of axle. But like I said, as you can see, the battery was like bone dry. So finish putting this together. I got 1 more brown wire to put on. I got 1 more brown wire to put on. 1 more brown wire to put on. This one over here. Then I can see. Then I can see if it will be affected by not having. But that's just power. This red line is coming in from the charging port. So that's just to feed the rest of the battery juices to charge the rest of the batteries. Some people buy Milwaukee, some people buy. Yeah, I was saying I use it to change the lug nuts on the take the brake, do brakes on the. I haven't really used it for nothing more powerful than actually needed, but I'm quite sure 200. I think it's 240 foot-pound of torque. That thing will take off anything. Work just as good as a Milwaukee, Dale, whatever else brand of power tools out there and everything. But as y'all can see, everything back to this, everything is on here is put together. All I gotta do is just put the board back on here, cover it up, and it should.